If it's a pre-owned vehicle you just sold, the vehicle likely went through your reconditioning department where a full inspection was performed and possibly maintenance or repairs completed. A pre-owned vehicle may not be in perfect condition when it's delivered, such as having scratches in the paint or a worn interior, which you will have reviewed with your customer during the sales process. Even though a vehicle is pre-owned, your dealership will ensure that any underlying safety or repair issues have been resolved so that your customer drives off the lot in a safe, properly functioning vehicle. Nonetheless, you need to thoroughly inspect the vehicle to ensure that your customer is aware of all defects. If you neglect to point out any dings or scratches or a tear in the interior fabric, and your customer discovers these issues later, your customer will likely feel entitled to getting those items fixed at the dealership's expense. Even more, the customer may go on Google or social media and leave a bad review for you or your dealership.